In this video, I'll show you how to install apps on your Android TV without using the Downloader app. Step 1. Use the built-in Google Play Store. Turn on your Android TV and go to the Google Play Store app. Use the search function to find the app you want to install. Select the app and click Install. Wait for the app to download and install automatically. Step 2. Use a USB drive for APKs if the app isn't in Play Store. Download the APK file of the app on your computer or phone. Transfer the APK to a USB flash drive. Plug the USB drive into your Android TV. Open the File Manager app on your TV. Find the APK file on the USB drive and select it to start the installation. If prompted, enable Install from unknown sources for the app. Step 3. Use a web browser or File Explorer app. Open a browser app on your Android TV, like Chrome or Puffin. Search for the APK file you want and download it directly to your TV. Open the File Manager to locate the downloaded APK. Install the APK by selecting it and allowing installations from unknown sources if needed. Important tips. Always download APKs from trusted sources to avoid malware. Keep your Android TV updated for better security and compatibility. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Android TV tips.